In this example, we are going to be determining probabilities of spinning a spinner. And this is from the game Twister. It's been around for decades, so hopefully you're familiar with the game. But it says the game Twister by Milton Bradley is played on a large plastic mat similar to a game board. Contestants spin a spinner and must move the specified hand or foot to the indicated color. What is the probability the spinner will land? And then we have these 5 questions right here. Now this graphic here, you could also find this graphic as an interactive graphic within the body of the lesson, but we have it reproduced here. And it says, what is the probability the spinner will land? And for A, it says on a yellow spot. So I'm going to put A right here. And as we look at the outcomes here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 different possible outcomes if we were to spin this spinner. So to land on a yellow spot, we've got 1, 2, 3, and of course 4. So that's 4 out of 16. And of course we can simplify that. As 1 out of 4. As a decimal, that's 0.25, and of course we recognize that as 25%. So what is the probability it lands on a yellow spot? 25%. For B, it says what is the probability the spinner will land in a foot area? So we'll put B right here. And just through casual observance, we could see we have these quadrants that they're broken up to, and we have one quadrant up here is the foot, the left foot, and down here is the right foot. So just through casual observance, we could see that it's 1/2. But if we do it by the outcomes here, we could see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can say that it's 8 out of 16. But again, through casual observance, we can see that that's 1/2. As a decimal, 0.5, and of course we recognize that as 50%. So with the probability of it landing in a foot area, 50%. For C, what is the probability that the spinner will land in the right foot area? I'll put C right there, and that means just this down here. And again, through casual observance, you can see that that's 1 out of 4. There's 4 quadrants here. Or if we do it via the colors here, that's 4 out of 16. And of course, again, we know that as 1 out of 4. Again, that's 0.25, and we recognize that as 25%. So the probability of landing in a right foot area, 25%. For D, what is the probability the spinner will land on a yellow spot in the right foot area? Well, there's only one yellow spot in the right foot area, so that would be 1 out of 16. That's 0.0625. And of course, we recognize that as 6.25%. And finally, for E, it says on a yellow spot or in a right foot area. So here's a yellow spot here, 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 and here. So of course that's 4 out of 16, but it's on a yellow spot or in the right foot area. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I wouldn't be counting the yellow spot in the right foot area. Again, since I already counted it the first time, I don't want to double count. So that's 7 out of 16. And we know that as 43.75%. So the probability that it lands on a yellow spot or in the right foot area, 43.75%. And there you have it.